Alright guys, so in these next couple of videos we're going to be looking at circles. In this one we're going to be looking at the properties of circles. So the equation of a circle, spelled wrong. So the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Pythagorean theorem. Distance formula, except for there's no square root because it's squared. You should remember this from geometry. In this instance, the center is HK. So remember, because of the minus signs, that means that if you see pluses, then these are negative. You have to look at them as being opposite of what you see. And obviously, in this case, the radius is r. Okay, so it'll start, IXL will start with circles like what you have here. So find the center, radius, and diameter. Pretty easy. This center is at 4, -1. Okay, so center 4, -1. The radius I can count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means that the diameter is this times 2, or 10. Pretty simple. So here this center is at -2, looks like -5. So center, -2, -5. Radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And the diameter would again be 10. Okay, you will eventually get to these. Still not hard. These will wrap up this video. So x squared plus y squared equals 36. We want to find the center, the radius, and the diameter. So in this form, whenever I see x squared and y squared like that, that's really x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 36. Okay, so anytime it's just x squared, y squared, it's 0 and 0. So my center is at the origin 0, 0. My radius remember, the equation is r squared. So r squared is 36, right? So then we take the square root of both sides, which means that r is going to be equal to 6, which makes the diameter 12. Alright, so moving on, x squared plus y plus 37 over 4 squared equals 64. Okay, so center. So remember, if I see x squared, that means that that's 0. In this instance, I think opposite, so I see a plus sign. So this is -37 over 4. My radius is the square root of 64, or 8, which makes my diameter 16. Alright, last one. So x minus 1 squared plus y plus 10 squared equals 361 over 4. So my center, so again, I think opposite. I see minus, so this is positive. I see plus, so this is negative. My radius is the square root of 361 over 4. Remember, square root of the whole thing. So square root of 361, if you put that in a calculator, will be 19. Square root of 4 is 2. There's my radius. And my diameter is 19 over 2 times 2. Well, that 2 will cancel with that 2, which means that my diameter is 19. Alright, there's your equation for properties of a circle. Pretty simple, pretty quick. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.